Everyone's chasing the next flagship gadget while the products that actually save you the most time rarely make headlines. Today, we're counting down 5 gadgets that solve real problems most people don't know have a solution yet. From a voice recorder that turns meetings into instant text, to a robot mower that handles yards other robots give up on. Links to every pick are in the description. Let's get into it. At number 1 is the DS Pixel Pro, and this isn't just a keyboard, it's a keyboard that decided to bring its own screen along for the ride. This is a split ergonomic design with Hall-effect magnetic switches built in. The same sensor technology used in premium gaming keyboards, letting you fine-tune exactly how far a key needs to travel before it registers, instead of being locked into one fixed actuation point. It's rated for a polling rate up to 8,000 Hz, which means your keystrokes get read up to 8,000 times per second, translating to input that feels instant rather than processed. But the standout feature is built directly into the keys themselves, inbuilt displays that can show custom images or icons. So instead of static keycaps, your keyboard layout can actually change what it shows you depending on what app or mode you're in. It runs wirelessly off a 20,000 mAh battery, rated for up to 12 hours of use per charge, with 30-watt charging to top it back up quickly. The trade-off, and this one's important, the DS Pixel Pro is currently funded through a crowdfunding campaign, rather than shipping as a finished retail product. So there's no independent lab testing yet to confirm real-world battery life or build quality, and crowd-funded hardware always carries the risk of delays or changes before it reaches your desk. But if what you're after is the most genuinely futuristic keyboard concept on the market right now, screens built into your keys and true magnetic switch customization, at number 2 is the Twopan Pro SSD. And this is a drive built for one very specific frustration: filming professional-grade video on your phone and instantly running out of space. It's a portable SSD, available in 1 or 2 terabyte capacities, hitting read and write speeds up to 1,050 megabytes per second. Fast enough to record Apple ProRes 4K video straight to the drive at 60 frames per second without any dropped frames or stutter. Something your phone's internal storage genuinely struggles to keep up with over long recording sessions. What makes it stand out from a typical external drive is the built-in fingerprint sensor. One touch unlocks it, so if it's ever lost or someone picks it up, your footage and files stay locked down without you needing to remember a password. It also has a tiny 0.85-inch LCD screen built right into the body, showing real-time transfer speed, temperature, and drive health at a glance, the kind of monitoring you'd normally only find on enterprise storage. There's a small internal cooling fan too, which one reviewer specifically noted they couldn't even hear running during testing, keeping performance consistent instead of throttling during long transfers. And it's not just a phone accessory. The USB-C port supports DisplayPort output, so it can plug directly into AR glasses like Xreal or Rokid and stream video content on the go, on top of working with laptops, tablets, and gaming consoles like the Steam Deck, all of that packed into a drive that weighs just 27 grams. The trade-off: that fingerprint sensor and smart display come at a premium price compared to a basic external drive with the same storage. And the fastest transfer speeds depend on your device actually supporting USB-C data at full speed. Older phones and some Android devices will see slower real-world numbers than the rated max. But for creators who record professional video straight from their phone and need fast, secure, on-the-go storage, at number 3 is the Lymow One Plus. And this isn't your average robot lawnmower. It's built more like a tank than a Roomba. Most robotic mowers use small wheels and tiny razor discs that barely graze the grass. This one runs on rubber tank treads and 2 real SK5 steel rotary blades spinning at 6,000 revolutions per minute. The kind of cutting power that shrugs off thick, overgrown grass instead of getting stuck in it. One reviewer who tested it on a property with 32 mature trees creating GPS dead zones and constant obstacles said it handled terrain that makes other robot mowers give up entirely. It navigates completely wire-free using RTK positioning and LiDAR, so there's no trench-digging perimeter wire to install. Just set your boundaries in the app. The climbing ability is genuinely wild, rated for slopes up to 45 degrees, and in real independent testing, it reliably handled grades around 30 degrees, Plus, it can roll straight over obstacles up to 7 centimeters tall without stopping. Powering all of this is a 528 watt-hour LiFePO 4 battery, a more durable, longer-lasting chemistry than the lithium-ion cells most competitors use, rated for 2,000 charge cycles, which realistically means years of use before you'd ever notice battery degradation, and a 405-watt fast charger brings it back to full in around 90 minutes. On a single charge, it can cover up to 2,300 square meters of lawn. The trade-off, and it's a real one, this thing weighs around 78 pounds, so moving it manually is genuinely a two-person job. More than one reviewer flagged inconsistent Wi-Fi connectivity in the companion app, and this is a second-generation product from a smaller manufacturer. So long-term reliability data is still limited compared to established mower brands. But for anyone dealing with a genuinely difficult yard, slopes, obstacles, thick grass that beats other robot mowers, at number 4 is the BodyPark add-on, and this is essentially a personal trainer that fits in your palm and never charges you a cent per session. It's a pocket-sized AI fitness companion, weighing just 155 grams, built around a 160-degree ultra-wide camera and a 43-inch AMOLED display. And the idea is simple. Set it on the floor, a desk, or a tripod at arm's length, and it watches your entire body while you train. What's actually happening behind that camera is genuinely impressive. BodyPark's Deep Body AI engine tracks over 34 key points on your body in real time with 96% pose estimation accuracy, including a dedicated lower back tracking point most fitness trackers completely ignore, which is exactly where bad form quietly causes injuries. It recognizes over 1,000 different exercises across strength training, calisthenics, and functional movement, and gives instant voice feedback, correcting your form and counting your reps out loud, so you're not stopping mid-set to check a screen with sweaty hands. After each set, it automatically generates a replay video showing your movement trajectory and balance, the kind of side-by-side breakdown that used to require an actual coach standing next to you. It attaches almost anywhere with a magnetic mount, syncs with Apple Watch, Samsung Watch, and Pixel Watch, and can even cast your workout to a TV screen. At number 5 is the Plaud NotePin S, and this is a device built entirely around one idea: never having to take notes in a meeting again. It's a wearable AI voice recorder about the size of a small river stone, weighing just 17.4 grams, small enough that you genuinely forget it's clipped to your shirt, worn as a necklace, or stuck on with its magnetic back. It records up to 20 hours continuously on a single charge, with standby lasting up to 40 days, and stores everything locally with 64 gigabytes of onboard storage. So recordings save even if you've got no signal in the room. What makes it more than just a voice memo app is what happens after you stop recording. It transcribes and summarizes conversations automatically using AI, running on models like GPT-5, Claude, and Gemini rather than one proprietary engine, and recognizes speech across more than 112 languages. One reviewer specifically praised the newest version's physical tactile button. You press it, feel it click, and know for certain the recording started, replacing the pressure-sensitive touch panel from the original version that multiple users flagged as their biggest complaint. There's also a highlight feature: tap once mid-conversation to flag an important moment, so instead of scrubbing through an hour of audio later, that exact passage is already marked in your transcript. The trade-off: several advanced AI features sit behind a paid subscription rather than being included outright, and more than one reviewer noted the app's connection to the device can occasionally be unreliable. Plus, audio clarity depends heavily on how close you're wearing it to the conversation. But for anyone who sits through back-to-back meetings, interviews, or lectures and wants a written record without lifting a pen,